Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a tip for you if you want to be grandparent or parent of the year. You need to get your grandbaby this Bright Starts Disney Finding Nemo Baby Activity Center. It's a jumper activity center that is going to keep your grandbaby so happy and so occupied. My grandson cannot get enough of this. It's for ages 6 to 12 months old, and he is currently 9 months old. It is absolutely his favorite thing to do. He is really active, so he's always jumping and moving and fidgeting, so this is the perfect activity center for him. It has lights, sounds, interactive toys that you can remove and move around and switch out, so your grandchild or your baby is never going to get bored with this. It's very sturdy, but it does come apart if you need to store it or go somewhere with it. It goes together pretty simply, and I am really happy with how easy it is to remove the cloth seat, because anytime you have a baby, you need to be able to wash things easily, so the seat is removable and washable. I'm so pleased with this sturdy activity center that my grandbaby spends time in. He can swivel around, look all over the room, play with you, and also play with his toys. So it has been a huge hit in our family. So whether this is for your child or your grandchild, 6 months to 12 months old, this activity center is going to keep them safe and occupied, so busy and so happy with all of the interactive toys, lights, colors, and sounds. They will not be disappointed, and neither will you. And that is my point of view.